Hey, Anna. Fancy seeing you here. Did you miss the bus too?
Oh my God, Jimmy! Yes! I literally ran after it, but the driver didn't see me. I'm so annoyed right now.
Same here. I was just 2 seconds late. The doors closed right in front of my face. Brutal.
Story of my life. So what are you gonna do? Wait for the next one?
Nah, I think I'll just grab a coffee and chill here for a bit. The next bus isn't for another 40 minutes anyway. Want to join?
Sure, why not? I've got nowhere to be until my piano lesson at 3. What about you?
I was supposed to meet Tom at the gym, but I already texted him I'll be late. He's probably still in bed anyway.
Classic Tom. So, how's everything going? Haven't seen you since, what, last month?
Yeah, been pretty busy actually. Started a new part-time job at that bookshop near the park. You know, the one with the crazy orange sign?
Oh, the Book Nook? I love that place. Their fantasy section is amazing. Do you get a staff discount?
20%. It's dangerous though. I keep spending all my salary on books I'll never have time to read.
That sounds like you. Remember when you bought 5 cookbooks and never used them?
Hey, I made that pasta thing once, but yeah, fair point. What about you? Still doing the photography stuff?
Yeah, actually got my first paid gig last week. Some couple wanted engagement photos in the botanical garden.
No way! That's awesome! How did it go?
Pretty good, I think. Except at one point, a duck photobombed like 3 shots in a row. The couple thought it was hilarious, though. They even asked me to take more with the duck.
That's brilliant. You should use those. Romantic engagement photos featuring special guest duck.
Oh my God, that's actually not a bad idea. But seriously, it felt good to actually get paid for something I love doing.
I bet. You've been practicing for ages. Oh, by the way, did you ever figure out that weird issue with your camera?
The lens thingy? Yeah, turns out I just needed to clean it properly. I felt so dumb when the guy at the shop showed me how.
Don't worry about it. We all have those moments. Last week, I couldn't find my phone for like an hour. Guess where it was?
Where?
In the fridge, next to the milk. Don't ask me how.
What? How does that even happen?
I genuinely have no idea. I was making breakfast, and yeah, my brain just stopped working, apparently.
That's amazing. I once put my keys in the microwave, so I get it.
Really? Why?
I was holding them while heating up some food, and when the microwave beeped, I just put them inside instead of taking the food out. Autopilot mode.
We're a mess, aren't we?
Speak for yourself. I'm just creatively organized.
Is that what we're calling it now? Hey, want to grab some food too? I'm starving.
Sure. What are you thinking?
They do really good sandwiches here. The tuna melt is unreal.
Ooh, I might get the vegetarian wrap. Been trying to eat less meat lately.
How's that going?
Harder than I thought, honestly. I really miss bacon. Like, really, really miss it.
Maybe start with just a few veggie days a week. All or nothing doesn't work for everyone.
Yeah, you're probably right. My sister went full vegetarian overnight and lasted exactly 3 days before she cracked at a barbecue.
3 days is respectable, though.
I guess. Oh, speaking of food, are you coming to Mike's birthday thing next weekend?
Is that the dinner at that Italian place?
Yeah, Bella Rosa or something. Should be fun. He's inviting like 15 people.
Sounds great. Count me in. Should we get him a present together?
Good idea. He mentioned wanting some new headphones. We could split on a decent pair?
Perfect. I'll have a look online tonight and send you some options.
Cool. Oh, wow. Look at the time. My bus should be coming soon.
Already? That went fast.
Right? Sometimes the best conversations are the ones you don't plan.
True. Same time next week when we miss the bus again?
Let's hope not. But hey, it wasn't the worst way to spend 40 minutes.
Not at all. Good luck with your piano lesson.
Thanks. Don't spend all your money on books today.
I'll try. See you soon.
Bye, Jimmy.